Hello, this is Aaron. Today in this video I'm unboxing AirPods. So I got these recently. I bought them at the Walmart. So yeah, I'm unboxing them. There's the back, there's the side, there's the front, there's the other side, there's the top AirPods. These are official AirPods. And these are the clones. This is a clone I bought at FYE. So let's unbox this. It's hard to open this box because of the way the box is. Designed by Apple in California. Instructions. Yada yada yada. There's the AirPods there. This is a Series 1, I believe. Yeah, it is. Designed by Apple in California. Sorry about the autofocus error. There's a case, this ain't the wireless charging case. Alright, compare it to the clone case. The button here is to charge it, but the button on here is to sync it. Yeah, you can tell which is which. Lightning port, microwave USB. Pull out one of these AirPods and compare it with pull out one of the fakes. You can see it, of course, size difference. AirPods are a lot smaller. Can you put an AirPod in here? Yeah, but it won't charge. But you can't put an AirPod in the other one because, like, yeah. There's like a little light indicator. I think AirPods might be low on battery. I'm not sure. But, oh wow. Compare this. Wow. Very satisfying. Oh, there's more things in here. We got our lightning cord. Neat. We got our iPad 6th generation. So we have to set this up with Bluetooth for Android. You can also use AirPods on Android, but let's open it. I don't know if you can see that or not. The animation. Yeah, they're my AirPods. They connected. So now it's easy as that. I could use them on my Mac Mini, even my Android phone. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you on the next video. Goodbye.